It's a jungle out there. Every day, your body has to counter the many different health threats that exist in the modern world. So you can benefit greatly by supporting your immune system with Zamu Gold. It's the new gold standard for daily defense of your health. Zamu Gold is formulated with a powerful blend of nutrient-rich berries and rare botanicals that come from deep within the Amazon rainforest. It contains 4 powerful mushrooms, agaricus, cordyceps, shiitake, and reishi, all of which are renowned for their therapeutic properties. It also has super antioxidants such as acai, camu camu, and cacao. And then there are the Amazon botanicals like murapuma, suma, maca, and catuaba. Taken together, Zamu Gold ingredients help increase your body's resistance to illness. This gives your body a powerful surge that you can really feel. Plus, you'll experience greater energy levels and vitality. Some of the most powerful, health-enhancing natural plants are found in the lush and abundant Amazon rainforest. There's no other place in the world like it. But you don't have to travel thousands of miles to the Amazon to profit from its highly potent plants. Instead, you only have to reach for the nearest bottle of delicious-tasting Zamu Gold. Every day, you ask a lot of your body. Now you can give something back. Take Zamu Gold. It's the daily defense formula that helps support your body's resistance to illness so you can thrive.